gather around the lake to celebrate. Now, once what happened? People of villages, when the rainwater was collected in lakes, rainwater lakes were filled up with rainwater. People used to gather around the lakes and they used to celebrate it as a festival. See the bride of Uttarakhand. The bride. The picture is of a bride of. See the picture, bride of Uttarakhand in this picture. Please mute yourself if to be. You know your class is going on. Mute yourself and open your cameras. Everyone, open your camera. I don't want to say this one instruction every time. कैमरा ओपन करना है. फिफ्थ ए को एक ही बार बोलना पड़ता है, वो सुनते हैं. आपको भी एक ही बार में सुनना है. See the bride of Uttarakhand in the picture. So now this is the bride of Uttarakhand. She is worshipping. She is doing some puja related to water. After getting married, after getting
Presentation is paused.
what happened? Fifth B, क्या हो गया?
Presentation paused. Presentation paused.
Wait, I will wait. I'll stop and I'll present again. I will please first of all open your cameras. Everyone is with Shweta, Trinesh, Nivas, Kasturi, Udaya. Everyone open your camera and sit. This is the instruction only.
I open my camera.
Yes, open your camera. Tarun, Dinesh, Yuva,
What are you
Vishal, Shanmugh,
I don't have camera.
open your camera.
I have opened my camera. I have opened.
Ma'am, I don't have
Okay,
camera.
sit with open cameras. Okay, Yuva, there is a problem with you. Rest of all, please open your cameras. Now I'm presenting again. And please don't present in between and keep yourself mute. That's why then only you will be able to listen to me. Swatika, mute yourself. फिफ्थ भी आपको एक इंस्ट्रक्शन बार बार क्यों देना पड़ता है? I am presenting my screen to you now. So let's get back. Now this is the picture of the bride of Uttarakhand. After getting married, she has come to the new village. She goes to the spring or the pond, and then now what happened?
Ma'am, screen is
Sorry?
only your photos.
Ma'am, screen is checking my.
Wait, it will come. Wait.
Ma'am.
नहीं दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Will come. आएगा, स्क्रीन आएगा, वेट करो. Wait. I think some problem is. Wait.
గుండి ఎందునా పాడు ఎందునా పాడు ఎందు పాడు ఎందు.
Now is it visible? Fifth B.
Ma'am, Swatika. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Wait. Fifth B, mute yourself first. Please mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Now see. Now I will present you the chapter. Due to some network problem, it was struck. Okay, so connect. Now it will be okay. Now you will be able to see the recording.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
chapter. Okay. Okay
Yes,
now.
ma'am. Coming.
Okay. So keep yourself mute now. Mute. Okay. So now this. See the bride of the Uttarakhand in this picture. After getting married, she has come to the new village. This is the bride of Uttarakhand, and she has come to visit to a spring or a pond. She has come to celebrate a festival related to. Bride means नई दुल्हन, जिसकी नई नई शादी होती है. Girl which is newly married, she is called a bride. Okay, so bride of Uttarakhand, she has got married now, so she has come to her new village. In the cities, one can see an interesting form of this custom. The new bride worships a tap in her home. So she is worshipping the tap in her home. You can see the picture here. She is worshipping the water. They know what is the value of water, so they are worshipping. Can we imagine life without water? No. You can't imagine your life without water. Everyone, whether small, big, or a rich or a poor, every person needs water for their survival. So do you have some special pots for water at your place? Look, water is being filled in the beautiful copper pot. The shining yellow pot of
Ma'am,
brass.
what is worships?
Worship, sorry,
Pray.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
Pray.
Ma'am, temple.
worship
Temple.
means worship means pray.
Pray.
The see you
Pray to God.
see the
Water.
picture. The bride is praying. She is worshipping. पूजा करना. That you pray in front of God ना, किसी चीज की पूजा करना. That is worshipping. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see, next is, in earlier times there were pots like this. You would have seen like this pots at your home also for
Yes, ma'am.
worshipping. For
Brass.
these are used in temples. In temples you
Yes,
used to
ma'am.
see these pots, right? These are made of copper and brass. The material used to make these pots are copper and brass. So in earlier times people used to fill the water in these pots, but nowadays we are using mud pots. You are using at your home.
Yes.
आप मिट्टी मिट्टी के मटके होते हैं ना, मटका, we call them मटका. मिट्टी का, अब वो मिट्टी का होता है. It is
Ma'am.
And
okay.
steel pots.
Steels also, yes, very good. Steel का भी आप use करते हो घर में. Aluminium, steel, all these we are using nowadays. But in earlier times, people used to use this copper and brass. Okay, so see, you can see from the tap, water is filling in these kinds of pots. These are taps. Okay, taps are also very beautiful. See, you can see the image. The yellow pot of brass is seen in the other picture. Many stone carvings are also made near the place of drinking water. Nowadays, we don't have these carvings. See, these carvings you are seeing here, these are called carvings. You can see this picture. Okay,
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are
I see
these
this,
are
ma'am. I
stone.
village.
These are stone carvings. Carvings means the impression, the picture that is made on stone, that are called stone carvings. जो भी हम picture इस पे stone पे बनाते हैं,
Ma'am,
वो
like
stone
tap.
carving. Okay.
Like tap, ma'am.
Yes, tap. You can see the taps here. Have you ever seen any beautiful building near the place of water? Where? So this is the
Yes,
question
ma'am.
you can find out. Near the buildings, you will see there many beautiful buildings are there. Is there a lake or well, step well near your house or school? Visit it and find out more. So this you will do it yourself. If any building or step well, lake, step well, आई थिंक आई एम क्लियर विद द स्टेप वेल. स्टेप वेल क्या होता है? जिसमें बहुत सारे स्टेप्स बने होते
Yes,
हैं.
ma'am.
तो स्टेप वेल इज अ वेल इन विच देर इज अ लॉन्ग स्टेप्स टू रीच टू द water. People use that step up and down. Okay, so these are called. So you have to find out whether there is any step well, lake or well at your near your house or school. So nowadays these we don't have these step wells. Nowadays we don't have these step wells and wells. Wells would be there, you would see wells, but they are dried up due to some reasons I told you, because we are not conserving water, and due to
In my
deforestation.
grandmother's house, there are wells.
We are, yes, wells you can see, but they will have very less water. In the wells there will be not that much water, there will be very less water because of deforestation and population and pollution. All these things have come up in present situation. So all these things have made the a picture, a different picture has given to us. Okay.
Ma'am, now it is rain, na, ma'am. There are wells, very
Yes,
many
now
water.
in these, now due to rain, they can fill up the wells. If there is a well near your house, you will see in during these time, well can be filled up with water, and that water can be used up for your use. How old? Now you have to find out. These are some questions. How old is it? Who got it built? What kind of buildings are around it? Is the water clean? Is it cleaned regularly? So if you will see the well, you will see it is very old, and water, there is not that much water, and it will not be clean also. Wells are not cleaned regularly. In the starting of the chapter, you have studied the people of Ghadsi used to clean the lake. Ghadsi sir lake, they used to clean the lakes. But nowadays, nobody is cleaning the wells and lakes, because all of you are, you would have seen, you will be having one electric motor in your houses for the for getting the water. Yes,
Yes,
you would have
ma'am.
installed, you would have installed one electric motor at your home, right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
When you
Ma'am.
fill up that.
when you
Ma'am,
switch on
your
that
voice is
when you
breaking.
In my
yes,
grandmother home, ma'am.
Yes, when you switch on that motor, the water is from the ground. Water from the ground is pumped up and it gets
In
stored in the.
tank, the underground water will go in tank.
Yes, very good. Because
Oh,
if you pump the, most of you are having that electric motor at your homes nowadays. So when you switch on that motor, the water from underground water gets pumped up and through the pipes it goes to the tanks which are installed above your houses. So they are going above the
yes,
tanks.
ma'am.
Due to all these things, electric motor and all these things, nowadays lakes and wells have their use of the lakes and wells have been decreased. Nobody is using now lakes and water because everyone is installing these motor in their home only. Who all are you? Who all use water? Is there any festival celebrated at
There
the
is
place?
lake.
Is
Holy
there any
ma'am.
water today?
Ma'am, in
Water is
university there is
celebrated by
lake.
Holi.
Sorry,
In
Holi.
university
Water
there is
festival
lake.
is Holi.
Holi
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the
Holy, ma'am. Holy.
Holi is the water.
Water in colors, ma'am.
Yes, it is a color festival, not a water festival. Never mix this होली with water. होली में आप colors का use करते हो, not
हाँ मैम,
water.
होली
You
में
can,
कलर डालते हैं मैम.
हाँ, आप होली में color लगाते हो, water नहीं. You everyone nowadays there is a practice to save water in Holi also. Nobody plays with water. Now the concept is play dry Holi. Okay, dry Holi खेलो with only colors and
Ma'am,
music
in
and dance.
university there is lake.
Okay,
In
so
university there is
to
lake.
yes, in university there is lake. So we will see when the situation, this COVID-19 will go, then we will see that lake. How old is that
Ma'am,
lake?
I have
And
seen
Ma'am, I've
many
been seeing
times.
that lake, ma'am. There is a because
I have not seen. I am new to this place, so I have not seen the lake. So
ma'am, I see
when
lake
the
also, ma'am.
when the things will get over, na, when the COVID-19 will, the situation will be good, then only we can go out to see this, right?
Ma'am, September 1st.
So think over it now. One, this is think over it. In 1986, there was no rain in Jodhpur and the surrounding areas. Jodhpur and the surrounding areas. People remember the old and forgotten stepwell Bauli. So in 1986, in Jodhpur, Jodhpur is in Rajasthan. Okay. So in Rajasthan, in Jodhpur, there was no rain at all in 1986. So people used to remember their old tradition of stepwell and lakes. They cleaned the stepwell and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out. Now, what was there when they used to clean the stepwell? Around 200, more than 200 trucks. 200 means 200. So 200 trucks were used to take out the garbage. People of area collected money. The thirsty town got water from the step well. So all the people of the town of Jodhpur used to get water from the step well. After few years, it rained well, and again the step well was forgotten. So now, when everyone in the Rajasthan, they are doing the practice of rainwater harvesting, the concept of step well and lakes are now being forgotten. Nobody is using now step wells and lakes because everyone has, yeah, either they have rainwater system or they have electric motors at their home. So they are pumping the underground water with the help of electric motors. There are two, now next discuss. There are two old wells in your area where Punita lives. Now this is a story of Punita. Punita lives at a place where are there are two old wells. Her grandmother says that about 15-20 years ago, 15-20 years ago, there was water in these wells. There was water in these wells. The wells could have dried up because now these wells have dried up. I told you the reason why the wells have dried up. But before 20, 15, 25 years back, 15-20 years back, there was lot of water in these wells. But nowadays there is no water in these wells because the reason is water is being pumped up from the underground with the help of electric motors. Nowadays also we are using electric motors. So when we use electric motors, we don't use any wells or step wells. The lakes and the water, rainwater used to collect are no longer there. Now lakes and step wells are not there. Water is being collected with the help of electric motors. Third, the soil around the trees and parks is now covered with cement. Now, if there are no trees are being cut down on large scale, so this is called deforestation. I have told you what is deforestation. Cutting down of trees on large scale is known as, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
cutting trees is deforestation. So when you cut the trees, the soil with the around the trees also get washed away, and then you build many buildings and colonies in that place. After cutting trees, what do we do? We are building many construction work we are doing. So due to this, when we are replacing all these things with the cement and bricks, so there will be no soil, water will not be absorbed in the ground, and there will be no water. Okay, so that's why water is becoming less, water is becoming shortage, there is a shortage of water. Is there some other reason? Find out. Okay, we will find out. You have to find out. I will give you the homework for this. Okay, the story today. Now, what is the story of today now? Nowadays, what is the situation? All these things were at present earlier times. Now, what is the story of today? Let us see the different ways in people manage to water today. See page 57 and discuss. Do you get water in your house by any of these ways? Put a tick on that. If you get water by some other way, write in your notebooks. So some ways are written here in the next page. How do you get water? You have to see. So this boy, this first one is I don't, this is a lady. She is getting water from a jal board. A jal board, a water tank, comes to our colony twice a day. We have to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. People at the times have to fight over the water. Now you can see a tanker is there. Picture, in this picture you can see people are standing near the
Yes, ma'am.
tanker. Okay, and they have bucket in their hand. So in
Yes,
their
ma'am.
place a jal board is coming. What is a jal board? Jal board hota hai water, जो board
Water
water
tank.
related, हाँ water related काम करता है, जो department that works for water, that is called jal board. Department that is working for electricity, that is called electricity department. Okay, water का ये जो water का department है हम उसको कहते हैं jal board. Okay, so the jal board is sending, जो जल बोर्ड वाला डिपार्टमेंट है वो दैट इज सेंडिंग सम वाटर टैंक्स. ओके, दे आर सेंडिंग वाटर टैंक्स ट्वाइस अ डे टू आर कॉलोनी, ट्वाइस अ डे, एक दिन में वो 2 बार भेजता है. एंड देन दे स्टैंड इन अ क्यू एंड गेट वाटर. Now see this girl, how she is getting water. We fill water from the well. The nearby well dried up year ago. Now she is saying she used to get water from the well, but now the water well has been dried up. Now we have to walk far to reach other well. Now they have to go to some other well which is very far. We are not allowed to take water from some other wells because of our caste. See, what do you mean by caste here? You have seen lower caste, upper caste, right? There are two castes in our society, upper caste, lower caste. So these are the people of lower caste. So they are not allowed to get water from other wells. So they are getting water with a very difficult situation. Now, this girl, sorry, क्या कह रहे हो?
Because cash.
Yes, Dinesh, क्या कह रहे? Please mute yourself, Shanmukh. Okay, next. We get water. Now this girl, how does she get water? We get water at home for an hour. We fill this in the tank to use all day. Sometimes it is dirty. So they get water for half an hour. Now at some places in Delhi also there is time. One fixed time is there to get water. And after that time, water gets over. No water comes to their places. And in that particular time only they have to fill their all the buckets with water. So we get water at home for an hour. We fill in this tank to use all day. Now you can see this girl is saying they fill up the tank when the water comes for an hour. So they fill up this tank and then use it for the day. In Delhi also, people have the same practice nowadays. They get only water for few hours. Okay, so tell me, fifth B, how do you get water? Do you get water for few hours or you are getting water for a long, very full day? Tell me.
Ma'am, whole
Full day, ma'am.
Okay.
Full day, ma'am.
One by one.
One
One
day,
by one. One by one.
full day water.
You are getting everyone.
Full day, ma'am.
You are getting water for the whole day.
Whole
Yes.
day.
Yes.
Whole
But you are not facing. You
water.
are not facing the problem of. You are not facing the problem of this, right? This water problem, because nowadays we are getting water from the electric motors, but these people nowadays also they are facing the problems. This girl, we get water from our taps all day long, so this girl is just like you, we people, she is getting all day water. This one, okay, she is getting water all day long. This is how we get water. Some, see, you have read the stories of different person, how do they get water. There is a hand pump nearby, but the water that we get from it is very salty. Now the problem is, this boy is saying this is a hand pump here, and he gets water which is very salty. We have to buy water for drink.
Ma'am, we
So
cannot
you
drink that.
can't drink the salty water. Okay, so you have to. He's saying
It's all
we have to buy water from the market. So they are buying water. Now, what about this? We have to put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline. Now we don't have any problem. So they don't any face any problem. They directly have installed one pipe, and from that pipe they are getting the water. Here we have put a motor to our pump up the water from the borewell. Yes, this practice also we are doing. We all have electric motors in our home which is pumping up the water from the underground.
Ma'am,
Borewell is underground storage, okay? But there
yes,
is no
ma'am.
electricity, so water, so what do we do? Now, without electricity, you can't pump out the water. So the problem with them is they have motor, but they don't have electricity. So without electricity, motor will not work. You can't
मैम
pump.
आपका वॉइस थक हो रहा है.
Okay, it will get okay. Let
No,
me
ma'am.
voice.
No, ma'am, it is not.
मैम आपका वॉइस थक हो
Okay,
रहा है.
last with
No, ma'am.
we get water from the canal itself. So this lady is in village and she's saying how does
Tunnel.
she is getting water from canal, canals, wells and wells only. Okay, so this was the story. This page is the story of different people. How do different people get water? Some people get water from the tankers, some get from the wells, some are pumping up from the electric motors, some are getting from the hand pump, some are getting from the canals. Okay, so this is a different way to get water. Okay, everyone is using, but the main theme is to save water. We should always save water for the such people who are not getting water. So you should always save water. Now discuss. This is the last second page. Last page you can read yourself. Okay, this a story. I will take up the important part. Yes, discuss. Everyone has a right to live. So we know that everyone has a right to live. Yet is everybody getting enough water to live or even water to drink? So everyone has a right to live, right to drink. So but then also we are not getting enough water to drink. Why is it that some people have to buy drinking water? Why we have to buy drinking water? This is because of our own reasons. Because the population is increasing, we are facing pollution, deforestation. Okay, so all these problems. Next is population is increasing. We are cutting trees, deforestation, population is increasing, pollution is there. So all these things, we are using electric motors. So what happens? Electric motors, the underground water becomes less. When you will pump the water with the help of motor, the water inside the underground will become very less if you will not fill. आपके अंडरग्राउंड में पानी कैसे फिल होता है? रेन से फिल होता है ना, रेन वाटर से. If there will be no rain, there will be no rain, the underground water, see, if there will be no rain, underground water will not get filled again. So if you will use the water again and again, it will one time will be there and that it will get finished. So you will not get water with the help of motors also. So the important thing is you should use minimum water. You should save water, because an underground water level is also decreasing day by day, because we are pumping it out. So that's why that level is also increasing. Should it be like this?
उस पंप को हम फिर से लगा सकते.
पंप को आपको कम से
हमको
कम
फिर
यूज
से
करना चाहिए. if you are filling one bucket with the help of electric motor, you should use that water wisely. Okay, if you will throw that like this only, then again you will switch on the motor and again you will pump out the water. Then the level of water inside the underground will decrease day by day. Okay, should it be like this? No, you should take care of water. You should use the water wisely. Water on this earth is for one and all. Some people draw out water from the underground by deep bore wells. Yes, we are doing this. How far is it correct? This is correct to some extent, but we should use that water very wisely. Okay. You should not waste water because you are getting from the electric motors. So you should think, if we are using it like this, how will others get water? If the level of water will be over, it will decrease, then how will you get water and others get water? Have you ever seen why do some people pump directly in the Jal board pipeline? Should not put this pipeline all in all these things, because many people are facing problems. What problems other face due to this? Do you have any such experience? So I think we don't have faced such kind of experience, right? So if you are having any experience, you can share. Does anyone is sharing any shortage of water in the house?
No, ma'am.
Is there anyone who is facing any
No,
shortage of
ma'am.
water? No.
no
I guess no one is there because you are getting water directly from the pump and electric motors. So, but one important thing is there, you should use this water very wisely. Okay, don't waste water. When you are brushing, keep the taps closed. Okay, when you are washing vegetables, say to your mother and father, those who are washing, use that water same to water the plants. You can use that water again. Now see, there is last thing is water bill. This is a bill of water. आपके घर में electricity bill आता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same way, this is a water bill. This is of Delhi state. Let me. There are some. In this, it is written Delhi Jal Board, Delhi Sarkar. In this, and it is name on this is Shoaib Maroli Narzun Nani. Okay. Below this water bill, there are some questions. From which office has this bill come? This has come from Delhi Jal Board. Answer will be Delhi दिल्ली जल बोर्ड. जल बोर्ड क्या होता है? डिपार्टमेंट जो वाटर के रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स या काम करता है. ठीक है, जो रिवर्स वगैरह क्लीन करता है.
in exam.
Okay,
Bill
this
question.
no, this can be in activity sheet. I will give you activity sheets after this lesson will be over. The lesson is over, so I will give you one activity sheet. In that, one bill will be there. You have to read that bill and you have to answer these questions. Do you get
Okay, ma'am.
water bill at home? Yes. Find out from where is it sent. It is sent from जल बोर्ड. आपको बिल कहाँ से आता है? जल बोर्ड से. ओके, फ्रॉम जल बोर्ड. ओके. Why do you think Delhi Sarkar, government of Delhi is written under the Delhi Jal Board? Delhi Jal Board में Delhi सरकार क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि ये Delhi state का है. Because the bill is of Delhi state.
Delhi.
Okay. If it will be of Telangana, it will be written here government of Telangana. Okay. Different state, every state has its own bill. So when if you see your water bill or electricity bill, you will see there government of Telangana will be written above. Okay. In whose name is bill? Bill किसके नाम पे है? देखो यहाँ पे name लिखा है. This is the name. Meroli Mohammad Shoaib is the name of the person. How much money do they have to pay for each month? So how much money? Around 360 is written here. So around 360 they are paying the 368, sorry. Around 368 they are paying the bill. Do you have to pay? Jal board is a department that works that have works related to water. Okay, they are installing the pipeline. They are cleaning. They are responsible for cleaning the rivers and all the. You have rivers like Yamuna River, Narmada River, Godavari rivers. Okay, you have read about rivers, right? So all these rivers come under this Jal board. ठीक है? They are responsible for cleaning them up.
Samusa is sticking emojis in chat box, ma'am.
Now this was the chapter. Okay, wait. A B, fifth B. Sorry, A B. I'm saying sorry for this. Okay, this chapter is over. I will give you the worksheet in these 2 days. Now, please sit properly and be ready for the attendance. I'm just taking the attendance. Brunda has joined. Brunda.
Okay, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Ma'am, three
Yes,
minutes.
don't. I will the names. Don't say like this. Brunda. Okay. Then is Dinesh. Dinesh. Yes. Dinesh, you have to show me your face. There. Deepa.
Is present.
Deepa.
Present, ma'am. Just as present.
Shrestha.
Ma'am, present, ma'am. Ma'am, Kirtana. Ma'am, Kirtana present.
Fifth B. Don't say present. I am telling you the names. Kasturi. Kaushik. I am not written here. Kaveri. Okay. Kaveri हो गया. Mom. Abdullah is here.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Abdullah I have written. Next is Kirtana. Kirtana is present. Nitish. Wait 1 minute. Wait. Fifth B. I am taking the names. Wait. Niva is present. Nivas is present. Okay. Ruchika is present. Present. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Sanvi is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Shanmukh Sunishka.
voice breaking.
Present, ma'am.
Shanmukh Sunishka is present. Yes. Trinesh is present. Udaya. Udayashree. Sorry. Wait 1 minute. Fifth B. Behave properly. 1 minute. Udaya. Vindhya is present.
Yes, ma'am. Linda is present.
Yes. Vrinda present.
Yes, ma'am.
Yuva is here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am.
The class. I think he left. Okay. So Manu is not. Tarun left the.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Jessica.
You can leave the class. Now you can leave the class. Okay.
Thank you,
Ma'am, bye,
Ma'am.
bye, ma'am.
Advance Vinayaka Chavti.
They left the class.
Ma'am, Nitish is present. Bye, ma'am.
I have marked. Yes, I have marked Nitish.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Jyoti, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Advance Vinayaka Chavti, ma'am. Advance Vinayaka Chavti, ma'am.
Ma'am, advance happy Ganesh Chaturthi, ma'am.
Same to you all.
Advance